Very nice animation of how convolution is done for sequences, and it generalized to the idea of how convolutions are done. You can see right over here, we have two sequences, the xn sequence, which are those numbers, and the hn sequence, which are those numbers. This is just for an example. So what we are doing in convolution, as you can see, we are starting and multiplying the elements. This is the x sequence, this is the h sequence, and this is the result of the convolution. You see that we start with this term and this term, and then we start to cross the sequence, the element that we multiply. So you can think of it also as in a reversed order. If you reverse it, you will start with this one, which will be multiplied by this one. This is for the first element. The second element will be this one and that one just crossed. This will give me the result for this multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this. This will give me the result for this. For the third element, we will have the three elements here and the three elements here, and we will do again a cross. So what will happen is this will be multiplied by this will be multiplied by this, and this will be multiplied by this, and we continue. Now we'll go to the next one. For this one, we will go again and cross elements and multiply and get the result. For this one, cross elements. And note that when we start to get out, we will leave this one and start to cross with those two. And the next one will be just this one and this one for this one. So this is the idea of how we do the convolution of sequences. You see how we do like a flip of this sequence and then like slide in the sequence. Or if you want, crossing the elements in order to get the results for the convolution. So it's just an animation that shows you how the convolution of sequence work. It's very nice to think about it by the flip and sliding trick. I did it in another video. You can also see it there. It helps to see the calculation and how we actually do the convolution in a simple manner.